UST fully recovered from the thrashing that they received from De La Salle University last Sunday. And UE is getting the brunt of
so far here.
That UST frustration after that loss. But UE, we've seen in several exchanges, UE very resilient. And yung depensa, kitang-kita natin na it takes a little bit of a rally bago mamatay ang bola as compared to early last season, last year when, you know, usually isang attack lang ng opponent, puntos na if they're going up against UE.
That's right. And UE right now is, well, they're a bit disorganized, especially in their floor defense and coverage. And UST starting to pull away. Remember, in their first meeting, it was a straight set win for UST. And, of course, UE doesn't want that to happen again. Nice from Dawis.
And you'll see Dawis with a heavy shoulder wrap scores that point and gets the kill. Let's see if the Lady Warriors can mount some sort of a rally here. They're not down by much. You don't want to be left behind early in set number 1. Good serve. Dizon plays setter. They go to Nebrida, punches it with the left hand. And that's a net violation on UST.
Caballejo, guilty of touching the net.
And ito yung sinasabi ni Coach Mamon during that report by Bea na lessen our errors. And
very important.
This is where UST really needs to concentrate on, is to keep their errors low. That's just long from Lucette Dawis of UE. Get one, lose one is what happened there in the case of the Lady Warriors. They get a point, they give away to UST one as well. They're still down by 3.
Micah Ortiz for UST.
Masangkay underhand set, back row hit from Bulan. That is right on the money.
That's right, good down the line hit from the back row. USC defense not expecting that from Bulan.
Coming off a 21-point performance against NU.
Big numbers for Bulan.
Nebrida had 15 in that game. Oh, Caballejo, cross-court, solid hit.
Nice approach, nice wind-up. Very clean hit. Nice set, though, from Rhea.
And that little hesitation by the defense of UE cost them, as they were thinking, baka ang titira si Hirotsuji. Hirotsuji hits this time, she's long.
Right, Hirotsuji missing the mark. First touch of the game.
That's Midori Hirotsuji, second-year player for the Tigresses. UE within 2. Beautiful serve. She's always had a good serve and she always picks excellent angles. Itong si Mary Grace Masangkay.
Oh, UE nakahabol na, just down by 1.
They trailed by as much as 4. Another diagonal serve. Oh, that's an overreach on the part of Rhea Dimaculangan. 2-point run here. Doc Ian for UE. We're tied at 11.
I think Rhea was called for a lifting violation. She tried to set it with one hand and the contact wasn't that good. Called by the refs.
Better reception now from UST. Banatikla rejected. Banatikla tries again. Nebrida. Masangkay.
Nice set.
UE looking for the lead. It's rejected. Masangkay tries again. Over to Bulan this time. The tip. Banatikla. Cross court.
Wow. Banatikla.
Using the right angle that time was Banatikla. Hitting it cross court. Avoiding the block. By the way, I'm noticing the USC players sporting similar hairstyles, right? That short bob, naks, parang marunong talaga.
Magaling tayo sa hairstyle, Doc.
Parang marunong talaga.
Hindi ko alam na sumasideline ka pala minsan sa...
Mamaya bigay ko si address mo.
partner ka naman ngayon, Doc. Well, pareho sila ng hairstyle ni Rhea at saka si, si Maru.
That's right.
Banatikla.
And Reyes also has the same one with Ortiz, so... Something
yan ang teamwork.
Totoo.
Pati sa buhok.
Sometimes
even in basketball, you see that, especially in LaSalle Green Archers.
That's right. With that, it just, gives them a sign that they're united, that they're in the same page, that they're
Together.
the same goal.
If it helps in getting wins, why not?
Why not?
USD,
do it.
USD up by 1, 13-12. Dapat minsan sa panel naman, sumabay naman kayo sa akin.
Wala kang mayaya. Bahala ka, Eric. Ikaw na lang.
Here's Maru Banaticla. She's been very active offensively.
Ooh.
And there's Masangkay caught stepping over the mid-court line.
Yeah, her momentum carried her really across the line. Ito, huling-huli.
Usually, the refs will let you go if it's about maybe 1-2 inches. Pero
Not
parang
your entire foot.
parang half a foot na yung pumasok or half feet na yung pumasok.
Yeah, that's right.
Ooh, yung combination with Dawis was not as perfect as they wanted it to be. Bumalik, pero the defense, pretty solid para sa UE. They recover. Here comes Maru Banaticla. Oh, picked up. Excellent job by Martinez, the libero of UE.
Ortiz.
That time, Ortiz will not be denied. Wow, absolute solid performance by both teams. Let's listen to UE. They call a timeout.
Don, Banaticla. Si Banaticla. Kung saan pumunta si Banaticla, tapatan mo agad. Naintindihan? Huwag ka nang tumangal dito. Pupunta si Banaticla dito, sumama ka kay Banaticla. Naintindihan? Pagkatapos, kung saan sumagad si Don, bibigyan ka lang, one step away ka lang kay Don. Naintindihan? Sisa, receive tayo. Ma'am, receive tayo. Wala tayong receive eh. Naintindihan? So, sino nasa taas? Hindi na, sa kabila.
Banaticla open. Ortiz.
Saka Ortiz. Oh. Kuha na lang dito. Tapatan mo na lang yung dito yung kay Ortiz, ha?
O, tara, let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go.
Coach Boy Dalistan, you see the concern he has with the way Banaticla starting this game. And obviously, Banaticla, one of the key cogs of USD's offense. And if she starts to get hot, you start having all sorts of problems. So, ngayon pa lang, inaabangan na ni Coach Dalistan.
And Coach Boy didn't even wait for the technical timeout at 16.
At 16.
So,
ganun ka-urgent para sa kanya,
no?
no?
A chance to
Ayun yung technical timeout natin. 16-12, USD back to their biggest lead at 4 points over UE.